Good evening, everyone. Uh, am I audible to everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to start our first class of paper one, come the demo class. So the very first question I would like to ask, if everyone is comfortable, are everyone comfortable with English or Hindi, or I should use both of the language?
And I think both of the languages will be fine.
Okay, all right. So about paper one, this the entire module of paper one has we have assigned 20 classes overall for 10 units. All right, so this is about the information regarding paper one in UGC notification. So there are total 50 questions that has been asked in among this 10 units. All right, so about the marking schemes, for the correct answers we have 2 marks for each correct answer, and the good thing is there is no negative part. So the more you attempt, it is more good for you. Okay. And about the qualification percentage, about 6% in paper one and paper two are qualified for the net JRF. All right. And for eligibility, there is 40% for journal EWS and 35% qualification percentage for the rest of the category. Okay. It means out of 50 questions, 40% at least 20 questions has to be correct to be get qualified for the net JRF. All right. So okay, so for this demo class we have assigned 3 units to be covered today itself, that is coding, decoding, series and direction senses. All right. Now, first of all, if you want to get the maximum advantage of this class, I would request you to get your pen and paper ready and work with this class, because it is more of I'll suggest you to make this class more interactive. Okay. So at the we have theory part, and then simultaneously we'll be doing the questions. All right, and in case if there are any difficulty, just ask in between itself. Okay, is it fine with everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
we will be focusing on 3 topic today: coding, decoding, series, and direction senses. And you must be aware that from the 10 section, from this 10 units, each units has an average of 5 questions. Okay, it is not very it means particularly 5 questions from each unit, but it may be like 6 questions from one unit, 7 questions from unit. Okay, but an average there is a 5 questions from each unit. Okay, so we need to see that. Now the coding, decoding, so coding, decoding, we will understand the concept first. In such questions of coding, decoding, we need to understand what is direct order positions. What is direct order position? So we have such that the alphabets A to Z, and they have assigned the numbering from 1 to 26. And if this is in such a way, like A, we have assigned this number 1, B number 2, C likewise, Z 26. So this is called the forward ordering or direct ordering. Okay, and now if you assign the 26 to A and likewise 1 to Z, this is called the reverse ordering. All right, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you need to uh, do more and more questions and get this done. I mean, to be just, it should be in your tips so that you can easily do the questions. Okay, so more you do such questions, more you will be comfortable with such questions. Okay, now if we combine them, this forward ordering direct ordering and reverse ordering, we get a sum of 26. Like A, we have forward ordering we have 1, and for reverse ordering we have 26. We get the 27 as a sum. Okay, so this is a 27. So this will help you while in reverse ordering questions. How? Okay, so this is a bit trick. Okay, a trick in the sense to memorize it more easily. So we have this isoti. Isotis means for E, for E, J, O, T, Y. This is, I mean, you can even either you remember it or you can use this trick as well. Okay, for E, we have a gap of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's say for P, either you have to remember this. For P, we have direct ordering 16, and reverse ordering we have 12, sorry, 11. Okay, so either you can do this, you can isoti, you just understand o is for 15. All right, and so for P we just add one more op, that is 16. Okay, and second, you can, for reverse ordering, you just subtract this out from the 27. Okay, so you get 11 for the reverse ordering. Is it clear?
So which digit we have to subtract?
Pardon?
Sir, in reverse order, which digit we have to subtract?
No,
27 we have to subtract.
for if you know the forward ordering or direct ordering, if you know it, you just subtract it from 27 to get the reverse ordering.
Okay, sir.
For
Yes, sir.
forward
Okay.
ordering, we have already this isoti trick.
Hmm. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, for
Yes, sir. In
example, for
reverse
H,
order.
if you need to either you remember this, learn it. Okay, or E, you can use this isoti. For H, you can do E for 5. We have assigned 5 numbering. Okay, E, and then we have F, G, H. So 5 plus 3, that it you can write 8 for the forward ordering. And to get the reverse ordering for H, you just subtract 27. You just subtract 8 from the 27.
Hmm.
Okay, so you
Okay,
get
sir.
this
Yes.
19. All right.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. Okay, now in coding decoding questions, we have categorized into different various kind of questions that have been asked and that will be asked in your net examinations. First is letter coding, number coding, symbol coding, substitution coding, and deciphering messages. Okay, so we'll do the first, the letter coding. What is that? Letter coding, in such questions the letters are expressed in the form of alphabets. Okay, now for this example, we'll understand this letter coding through this example. Now we have this a code. This is called forward. Okay, now it has been coded as this, and we don't know what pattern, what coding has been done with this. Okay, now how is backward is coded in that code. Okay, now forward is this. Now we have to decipher as what will backward will be coded as in, I mean, will be encoded into. Okay, so can you see any pattern there? Okay, so basically, if you look F, if you will see F is coded as E. Okay, F is coded as E, O is coded as N. So you will see there is a pattern. What pattern? So actually, for every letter there is one preceding letter is used as a encoding. All right, so F preceding letter is E, for O preceding letter is N. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, this coding decoding, letter are coded as into different letters. This is called the letter coding. Now you have to apply the same pattern logic to this backward. So can you decipher it? Can you decrypt this?
Yes,
So
sir.
B, one letter preceding letter of
A.
B,
Sir, A.
A, and then A for A,
Sir, Z.
Z, and then C
B.
for K, for it is J.
Yeah, J. Yes, sir.
Okay, now you will look for the option.
Sir,
So
it's second.
second would be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now we'll look the second example of letter coding in using opposite. How this opposites things work. Okay, now in a certain code, this give is written as TREV. Okay, TREV. How will this SAR will be written in that code? Okay, now if you see, you'll try to decipher the coding. Can you make a guess? G is encoded as T. How? So basically, it is a reverse ordering question. Now, if you will go this table, if you'll go this table, now for G we have 7. Okay, in forward ordering. Okay, now this in reverse ordering it is T. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically in that question, it is reverse ordering itself. Okay, now for G, it is coded in forward ordering as T. I is R, V is E, and E is V. Okay. Now in the same case, we have to solve this SAR. What is the reverse ordering for S? Okay, we'll infer this table initially, and later on we'll just try to solve by ourselves. So S is 19. Okay, for forward ordering, S is 19. We have assigned 19. Okay, it is SAR, no? It is SOUR. So we have to find the coding in a reverse ordering. So for S, we have assigned 19. Okay, but if you will see in the reverse ordering, it is H.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so S we have assigned H. Now for O, we have assigned it is 15 in direct ordering in or forward ordering, and in backward ordering or reverse ordering it is L, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and now for U we have 21, so in reverse ordering it is F. Okay, and for R it is 18, and in reverse ordering it would be I. Is it clear to everyone? So the answer would be HLFI.
Yes, sir.
C.
Okay.
Option C.
Oh, another thing what you can do is that uh, SOUR, right? Okay. Can you tell me the code for S in direct ordering?
19.
Okay, perfect. So you Isotti T is for 20. So one preceding letter would be 19. O
15.
15. U Isotti T U 21.
21.
21.
And
21.
for R
18.
18. Now you have to subtract every letter from 27. All right.
Yes, sir.
So you'll get 8, then 12, then 6,
6.
then
9.
9.
9. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now you'll just in forward ordering, what is 8? H. This is L. This is F. This is I. So again, you have two options. Either you just mug up this table Eight direct ordering, forward ordering, and reverse ordering, so that in at all, if this questions comes, you just immediately, without wasting your time on this and writing it, so you better you mug up this thing. So as long as more question you'll solve, you'll this will come to your fingertips. Okay, and so better it would be better. Okay, now this is as we have this is a proactive session, so this is a practice session, practice question 1. Just solve this and let me know.
Sir, I can't see the question.
Yes, sir,
Okay,
we cannot see the question.
so yeah, this is a code altered, this is written as this, then in the same code related would be written as what? So an average time is 1 minute. Okay, so average time is 1 minute, so done.
Sir, I think it's option A.
Okay, so how many go with option A? Okay, okay, all right. So basically the logic is A is written as Z, Z, L is written as O, T is written as G. So likewise, so can you say, can you find any pattern into this?
Sir, again, there is the preceding letter.
Yes, not precede, I guess
A, Z, and
preceding letter, or is this is a question of reverse ordering,
I. Yes, sir.
है
Okay.
ना? रिवर्स ऑर्डरिंग का है, तो आर को आप रिवर्स ऑर्डरिंग में, आर का व्हाट वुड बी द रिवर्स ऑर्डरिंग फॉर आर? कम ऑन, कितना हो गया? किसी का नहीं हुआ अभी? So so actually
Yes,
you can do one more thing. What you can do, don't look for the complex, always the complex or the longer route. Okay, so A is Z, L is O, all it is given. Okay, so R is what? So R is already given. For R it is given I, so
yes,
just
sir.
R is I. E is what? Nothing but
V.
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 Okay, now
L for
L is what?
O.
So this would take not even 20 seconds.
Hmm.
So this is IVO. So he will go, and then uh,
Z, G, V, W.
we have A is Z. So question C is the option C is the right answer. Have you got this? Any confusion? Hello?
No, sir.
Is it clear to everyone? See, the good thing is that in such questions, the altered is already, we have reverse ordering for each and every letters. Okay, so this altered has been just it has been jumbled around, and it has been mean a new code has been done, and it has been, it you can infer the encoding from the given pattern. It not need to go for the this reverse ordering doing. Okay, had it been otherwise, अगर यहाँ पे कोई और pattern होता, okay, which is not already given, so you can do this reverse ordering thing. Okay, so we'll do more such question. Okay, attempt this. In certain code, mention is written as this. How pattern is written in that code? So just first of all, you observe if there is any pattern. Don't look for the complex process first. It could be it could be very easy. Done. I'll give you a hint. This is a very easy question. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
This is see. Have you got any one of you got the answer?
Sir, it is actually
Yes,
easy,
sir.
but
Answer is
yeah, it
A.
is actually.
Okay. So this is actually very easy question. How? So you will see this is M and this is L. Okay. Now, now take the pair. Okay. After the first letter, you consider one each pair. You will see they have been switched their position. That's it. Okay. For the
So,
first letter, it is the preceding letter, and for the subsequent pair, they have switched their position. That is the answer.
Answer is C.
Okay, answer is C. Okay, let's see. So for P, the preceding letter would be O, right?
yes,
And
sir.
for the subsequent pair, we have just switched the position of each pair. For AT, it is TA. For TE, it is ET. And for RN, it is NR. Okay, so the answer would be C. Is it clear to everyone? Any confusion?
Sir, in place of M, they have given N,
Uh-huh. For
and
for
they have
for
switched
N,
the places.
आप M कह रहे हैं M.
Sir, in place of M, they have given N.
They have given
N.
L. This is L. So
Okay.
actually, for only the first letter, it is a
Hmm.
preceding letter.
Yes,
Preceding
sir.
letter. So this is L. So for P, the preceding letter would be O, and for the subsequent pair, they have switched their position.
Got it, sir. Got it. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And please, you can ask if there any confusion. Just it is better to clear it at that simultaneously. Okay, now we are moving to the other kind of question in coding that is called number coding. What is number coding? So in place of letter, we have given a code, a numerical code to a letter. It could be any code. Okay, it is based on some kind of pattern. Okay, so for example, we have this paint is coded as this, and Excel is coded as this. Then how would you encode this except? Again, this is very easy questions. Don't complicate this. You can infer this one. these are the hints already given. This is one hint, this is first hint, and this is second hint. Done?
Sir, A is the answer.
Okay, let's see how many got A.
Yes, sir.
How? Just you infer this given hints. So for A, they have written as 4, isn't
Hmm.
it?
Yes, sir.
So for A, we have 4. For C, we have 5,
5,
5. And then
9,
for E, we have this. For E, you can infer this 9.
9,
For P,
7,
7. And for T, you
8.
have 8. So the answer is 4555978. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So practice question. Done? Quickly. So it's saying, have anyone got the answer? Or I should explain it. So basically, this saying D is coded as 4 and cover is coded at 63. So we don't know how they encoded cover into 63. For that, they have given already given a hint, which saying D is 4. So we have studied this forward ordering. For in forward ordering, we encode D as 4. Okay. Similarly for C in forward ordering is what? 3, 20. For V, we have 22.
Sir, have they added everything?
Exactly. They have added everything and got this 63. So this is the pattern. So for basis, we have B is what? 2. For A, we have 1. For S, 19. This is 9. And for S, it is 19. So if you add this, so how much? This is 20, 19, 19, 38, 38 plus 2, 40, and 9 plus 1, 50. So 50 would be the answer. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the third kind of coding decoding, we have simple symbol coding. What it says, for every letter they have assigned any assigned symbol. Okay, so these are very easiest, one of the easiest kind of questions. So basically, like for L, they have given this symbol at the rate, and for E, they have given this dollar. For S, ampersand, and for D, they have hash. All right. Now for NAC, they have written this symbol. Now how the candles is coded? So basically, you have to infer these two hints for your answer. All right. So the answer would be
Sir, B.
B. Is it? Everyone? Okay, C is written as what? Which symbol is used for C? It is asterisk, no? For A, we have question mark. For N, we have for D, we have this. Okay, are you getting this? So the answers, I guess there is an typo error. Question mark and for C A N D, L for L we have this at the rate, and for L we have for E we have this, and for S again we have this. Okay, so we are getting this. Is it? So basically there is a typo error. This is not, this is actually a hash and this is int. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, and the fourth category are the substitution coding. Okay, it says, so basically in these questions, one kind of code or one kind of this word has been coded into, substituted into the other code, right? So it says if cook is called television. Okay, so cook is nothing but the television. So for now, television is a cook. So television is called radio, radio is called oven, oven is called grinder, and grinder is called iron. Now, what will a lady bake? So you just answer me. What will a lady bake? Basically, in what will a lady bake? So you just answer me. Baking किसमें होता है?
The oven में.
ओवन में ना? तो
Sir.
ओवन होगा, but oven is called.
Grinder.
So grinder would be the answer.
Answer.
Okay, clear है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just do it. Okay, whose profession is drawing? Drawing कौन करता है?
The plumber.
हाँ, drawing painter करता है और painter is called plumber. ठीक है?
Plumber.
So the answer would be plumber. Okay?
Plumber. Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. It's fun.
Okay. Okay. Now the fifth category are deciphering messages. So basically, they are interesting questions. These kind of deciphering messages are interesting. So in a certain code, I don't know what is written this. It means roses are blue. Okay. Okay. So it says IL B P. It says roses are blue. All right. Now again, other code says sick he. It means red flowers. And this says P mit he. It means flowers are vegetables. Okay. Now, how red is written? You have to find.
Sir, sick.
Sick. Okay. Okay. So We'll do it. So one thing you need to consider is that this is not a respective they are not in the such ordering. Okay, it is not like a respective order like IL is roses, B is R. It is not like that. We have to find by inferring all these statements whatever given. Okay, so for that you have to find two such a statement which has one common word. Okay, now if you look at this second and third statement, it has flower common. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
for
sir.
for the respective two statements, statement you have to find one common word. It is he, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you understand he is flower. Okay, he is flower. Double H, H double E is flower, and obviously sig would be. Have you got it? So whatever what is left, red is left, and for red we have this SIC. SIC.
Sir, so sick is the right answer.
SIC is the right answer.
Okay.
Is it clear to everyone, or I need to repeat this?
Clear, sir.
Okay, okay. Now do this. Done? Okay, just give me 1 minute. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Okay. Have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the answer?
I think it's A2.
Okay, A2. How many endorsing this? How many of you
Yes, sir.
getting this?
Two.
Two. Okay, so we'll just explain it. So 253 says books are old. Okay, 546 means man is old. Okay, and it says 378 is it means buy good books. All right, now it is saying what stand for R. हमको R बताना है कि R का कोड क्या होगा. Okay, now this is R. Okay, so it is for sure it must be either 2, 5 or 3. Okay, now we have to find what. Okay, now can you find any commonalities, any two statement where there would be one common word? You can take any, you can take any.
Sir, in the first one it is old, and in the second one also old. So old
Okay,
must
so
be
we'll
5.
consider first two statement. Okay, for old, for first and second statement there is a one word old which is common. So in the respective two statement, in the coding statement, 5 is common. Okay, so we can infer that old is 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Now we'll consider this first and third statement. Again, there is another word called books which is again common, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll consider this first and third statement. Again, 3 is common.
Hmm.
No, yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
So 3 is what?
Books.
So 5 and 3 are not the answer. So the answer would be 2.
2.
Answer would be 2. 2 is the answer, correct answer. Is it clear to everyone?
Sir, there is 4 and 6 as well.
No, no, no. हमको तो R तो सिर्फ पहले स्टेटमेंट में है ना. R is
Right.
present in only first statement. We not need to consider these two statement. कहीं पर R है क्या?
No.
So answer would be 2, 5 and 3. So by comparison, we have negated 5 and 3. So the answer would be 2. All right. Is it clear?
Means sir, आप ये कह रहे हैं कि जो first statement है उसमें R है. तो we are going to take the number जो first statement के लिए consider किया गया है.
एग्जैक्टली आप ये देखिए ना
Okay.
कि हम बाकी दो स्टेटमेंट का तो हमने वी हैव उनका सहारा लिया है. दे आर असिस्टिंग टू कम टू अ कंक्लूजन. ओके, अगर ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं होता वी कुड नॉट हैव नेगेटेड दिस बुक्स. ऑलराइट, सो 2 वुड बी द आंसर. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
यस सर. अगर वो पूछते कि गुड का क्या है तो देन हमको थर्ड वाला स्टेटमेंट लेना होता था.
अगर गुड का
3,
पूछते
7 and 8.
तो डेफिनेटली देयर वुड बी सम अदर स्टेटमेंट जहां पर बाय और बुक्स निगेट कर सकते थे. देन वी कुड हैव केम टू अ कंक्लूजन. ऑलराइट,
Got it.
okay. Now we are moving to another topic called series. Okay, now in series we have in our classes 9, 10th we have studied this series. Okay, now series are, they could be sequence of numbers, letter and mix of both in arranged in a particular pattern. So basically number भी हो सकता है, letter भी हो सकता है, and it could be a mix of them. Okay, and there must be a certain pattern behind it, underlying it. Now what we need to do is to decipher that pattern कि वो pattern क्या हो सकता है. Okay, now that pattern could be a mathematical operation, which is this operation must be acting either on the number or on the position. या जो apparent number है, it could be this mathematical operation could be operating on the numbers given or the position of the letters given. Okay, okay. So we have, for example, this is given a sequence of number, a series of number. All right, so can you guess this? Can you
Squares.
find the pattern?
Squares.
So this is actually the pattern is 1 का square, 2 का square, 3 का square and 4 का square. Subsequently what this pattern says, अभी आप 5 का square करो, so you'll get 25. Clear है?
Yes sir.
अच्छा.
ओके, सो इन सीरीज और दो क्वेश्चन और आते हैं एपी एंड जीपी. सो हम पहले समझ लेते हैं व्हाट इज एपी एंड जीपी. एपी इज नथिंग बट द अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. सो व्हाट इज एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, किसे कहते हैं हम? एपी सीरीज कौन सी होती है? वेयर AP series is such series where the difference of the subsequent number is same. For example, we take this 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So how would we get to know कि कौन सा जो series है, is it AP or not? So what we'll do, we take any two numbers, let's say you take this number. Okay, now you will subtract the preceding number from the succeeding one, so you'll get a difference. What is the difference between two?
3.
It is 3. Now this difference should be consistent within the series, and that series is called AP, arithmetic progression series. Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, now what kind of question you can expect this from this question? Agar aapko, let's say this is the first number of this digit, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth. Now in the similar way, let's say aapko pucha jayega what would be the 31st number of this series. Can you find it? Can you?
Sir, for this calculation is required.
A calculation is required. Okay, okay. And because this is a multiple of 3, so basically ये तो easy हो जाएगा. 31 multiply 3. But what if अगर कोई series बीच से शुरू होती है, तो वहां पर it become a little difficult. Okay, so for that we have a formula. Okay, so have you understood what is an AP, arithmetic
Yes, sir.
progression?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now for such question, अगर आपको बताना हो, for that, अगर if you need to find what would be the number, 31st number कौन सा होगा, so we write for that, we have a छोटा सा formula है. This is an is कौन सा digit हमको find करना है. Okay, a plus n minus 1 and d. अच्छा जी, what is a? A is the first digit, first number of the series.
3.
Okay, n is which we need to find. कौन सा find करना है? 31st.
31st.
Okay, and d is the difference within the AP.
3.
Okay, now can you solve these questions which I have given this 31st number? So an is nothing but 31st which we need to find. What is a?
3.
3. Okay, plus what is n? 31.
31 minus 1.
Okay, what is d?
3.
3. Okay, now how would you solve this? So we have this छोटा सा basic है BODMAS.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Brackets
BODMAS
खोलने
is,
पड़ेंगे, sir.
first of all you need to open the bracket and then there comes the division, and because there is no division, so we'll multiply then. Okay, so we'll just write 3 plus what is 31 minus 1?
30
30. Multiply
into 3.
Okay, so 3 plus 90.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
कोई confusion है किसी को?
So this formula is only applicable for arithmetic progression.
Exactly.
Only
आप इसको,
arithmetic.
हाँ, and you need to make sure कि that series is AP. तो कैसे करेंगे? आप सिर्फ difference देख लेंगे. Okay.
Okay. If the difference is continuous, the
Is the
same,
difference is consistent? वो कोई
consistent
भी
and
difference
same.
हो सकता है. Yes.
हाँ.
Now comes the GP, geometric progression. Okay, what GP says? GP says आपका अगर कोई भी number है, if there is any given series to you, let's say I take this 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So can you find some kind of pattern into this?
So it's 4 का टेबल.
It is not 4 का टेबल. 4
सर
8
इसमें दुगना हो रहा है
8.
Sorry.
हर एक संख्या का.
Right.
Multiply
It
by
is
2.
multiply
से.
2. 2.
एग्जैक्ट. सो एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है, आपको ये देखना है व्हाट इज अ जीपी, कि जो जो अगला वाला है, नेक्स्ट वाला है, आप उसको जो प्रीसीडिंग लेटर है उसको उससे आपको डिवाइड करना है. एक्चुअली आपको रेशो देखना है. सो इन जीपी सीरीज रेशो इज कंसिस्टेंट. वहां पे क्या कंसिस्टेंट था, वहां पर डिफरेंस कंसिस्टेंट था. एपी में ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन में रेशो कंसिस्टेंट है, तो यहां पर फिक्स्ड रेशो होगा. आप 128 को डिवाइड करेंगे 64 से, वो किसके इक्वल होगा, आप इसको करेंगे 32 के. आप कोई भी एक आगे वाला डिजिट, आगे वाला नंबर को पीछे वाले नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे, यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर. इसका मतलब यू विल गेट द सेम रेशो. तो यहाँ पे 2 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे 2 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे भी 2 आएगा. सो जहां पर जो जिस सीरीज में रेशो कंसिस्टेंट होता है, दैट सीरीज इज कॉल्ड द जीपी. क्लियर?
Okay, sir.
सो इज इट नॉट, ये हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होगा कि सिर्फ 2 आएगा, वो 3 भी आ सकता है, 5 भी आ सकता है, 10 भी आ सकता है, 1.5 भी आ सकता है, बट इट हैज टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. ओके. सो उस केस में हमारे पास ए आर एन माइनस 1 इज द फॉर्मूला. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू टेक, अगर आप कौन सा आप एक कोई भी आप सीरीज ले सकते हैं. लेट्स से उसी को लेते हैं 2 4 8 16 32. अब ये हो गया 5th डिजिट. लेट्स से आपको 9th डिजिट निकालना है. 9th प्लेस पे कौन सा जीपी में कौन सा नंबर आएगा, कौन सा. ओके. सो an इज नथिंग कि जो हमको फाइंड करना है. सो हम क्या करेंगे, A9 हो जाएगा, जो 9th फाइंड करना है हमने. A इज व्हाट इज A?
First digit.
फर्स्ट डिजिट ना, तो जीपी का पहला डिजिट 2 है. ओके. मल्टीप्लाई आर कितना है,
Ratio is 2.
रेशियो इज 2. व्हाट इज n?
N is 9.
9 माइनस 1.
Hmm.
ठीक है. तो आप इसको अगर ऐसा भी छोड़ सकते हैं 2:8, ऐसा भी छोड़ सकते हैं, या तो टोटल 2⁻9 आ जाएगा. ओके. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. अगर छोटा होगा तो सॉल्व कर लेना, और बड़ा होगा तो ऐसे ही छोड़ देना. ठीक है. सो वी हैव कवर एपी एंड जीपी. देन लेटर सीरीज, मिक्स सीरीज एंड द कॉन्टिन्यूअस सीरीज, दैट विल सी वन बाय वन. ठीक है. इज इट क्लियर टू
Sir,
एवरीवन?
sir, one question. 8, 16, 64, 128 ऐसा था ना नंबर?
हाँ जी, यही था.
जी. तो अब आपने उसमें 9th लेटर ढूंढने बोला.
हाँ, नाइन्थ पोजीशन पे 9th डिजिट
Position.
9 कौन सा होगा. सो दिस इज
हाँ.
1 2 3 4 5 6
हम्म.
7 8. आपको ये वाला ढूंढना है.
बराबर. हाँ.
तो
तो
आप
सर
इसको
2
सॉल्व
रेस.
करोगे ना.
हाँ हाँ.
ठीक है. तो ये आ जाएगा आपका 512.
2 raised to means okay.
आपको इसका मतलब
2
2 raised to power
multiplied
9 का
by
मतलब हो गया
9
कि
times
2 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 9 बार.
9 times. Okay,
तो
okay.
यू विल गेट 512. एंड आप देखो ना, 32 64 64 128 256 512 1028 एंड लाइकवाइज यू गेट दिस सीरीज. क्लियर है?
Okay, sir.
Any confusion to anyone so far? Okay. Okay. Now this is not a thumb rule but a little trick I've used. यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे आप, if there is any mixed series or letter series, okay, letter series या कोई number series आता है, तो try to evaluate, try to see if the digits is if the number in the series are increasing or decreasing. Okay. So either it would be decreasing, like 10 8 6. Likewise, if the series is increasing, like 2 8 10 12 if the series is increasing or is it decreasing. Okay, now again you have to see if the increase is slow, like 2, 4, 6, if there is a consistent gap. Okay, if the increase is slow or if the increase is fast, likewise 2, 8, uh, 2, 8, 16, 32, if the increasing is fast. Okay, if the increase is slow, then there is a element of addition within the series is hidden. Okay, and if the increase is fast, there is a definitely an element of multiplication is hidden. Similarly, if the series is continuously decreasing, you need to find if the decrease is slow, there is an element of subtraction is hidden, and if the decrease is fast, there must be a element of division. Clear? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. छोटा सा है little topic. Series. If the series is a number series, so we'll just take a short look of this number series. So basically we have numbers, a lot of numbers in mathematics. Okay, now we have this natural numbers, this whole numbers, this integer and rational. Okay, so basically within the rational number is like a big daddy, which encompasses the smaller one. So within the rational number we have every sort of number, like it could be a negative, it could be in decimal, it could be minus, including the zero. This is a rational. Now when we talk about the integer, basically either वो minus हो सकता है, वो zero होगा या वो plus होगा. That would be called integer. Okay, now in whole number we do not include the negative number. We have this zero and all the positive numbers. And when we talk about the natural number, all the positive number, it does not include the zero and the negative number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, so even number, even number are those which are divisible by 2, or you can say multiple of 2. Odd number is like कि जो 2 से divisible नहीं होते हैं. Okay, now prime number are those which are divided by itself or 1, मतलब जो किसी से डिवाइड नहीं होते, they are prime number. जैसे 2 है, 2 there is no जो किसी से डिवाइड होता है. 3, 5, 7, 11, then we have 13, we have 17, we have 19, we have 23. They are the prime number. Okay, ये किसी से डिवाइड नहीं होंगे, they will divided by themselves. ठीक है, they are called the prime number. क्या 21 प्राइम नंबर है या नहीं? Is it a prime number or not? Hello?
No, it is not.
No, sir.
कैसे?
Sir, 3 sevens are 21.
3 है, 7 है, it is divided by 3 also, 7 also. Okay, so this is not a prime number. Okay, good. नंबर सीरीज क्या हो सकता है? इसमें हमको पैटर्न डिसिफर करना है. फाइंड द नेक्स्ट नंबर. 2500, 500, 100, 20. What would be the next number? Quickly.
2.
कैसे?
Sir,
Everybody
4.
2.
0 is
4
decreasing.
है सर.
Is it rapidly decreasing or slowly decreasing? कैसे decrease हो रहा है ये?
सर 5 से गुणा हो रही है हर एक में. 4 पंजे
Exactly.
20, 20
तो
पंजे 100,
यहाँ पर
100
एक्चुअली
पंजे 5.
रैपिड डिक्रीज हो रहा है इधर, है ना? 2500 से 500, फिर 120. तो एक्चुअली देयर इज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ डिवीजन. और क्या डिवीजन हो रहा है? इफ यू सी ना, तो यहाँ पे अगर 2500 को अगर हम इफ वी डिवाइड बाय 5, यू विल गेट 500. Again we will divide by 5, you will get 100. Again we will divide by 5, we will get 20. Again we will divide by. Have you got this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So 4 would be the right answer. कोई confusion? I told you use that trick. It is not a thumb rule. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि हमेशा वो काम आएगा, but it will help you to eliminate the other operations. ठीक है? And with the more practice, you'll get to know कि कहाँ पर tap करना है. Now just do it quickly within 30 seconds. It is your previous year question. 20, I guess 2021 का question है. All these questions which we are doing, either they are practice previous year question or I guess they are previous year question, and there are certain mock to understand the concept clearly.
सर 597 डी.
597. ठीक है. Everyone? हो गया? Is it done or should I explain it? Hello? I'm doing it. You are not answering. So इसमें missing term हमको बताना है. So just let me know if there this increasing is rapid increase or slow increase. Everyone is busy doing. No one is answering.
Sir, is it going like 2 4s are 8 plus 1?
Exactly. Right. You got it right. So 2, 9, 37, 149, and I don't know. ठीक है. So अगर हम इसको देखें तो this is a rapidly increasing. So I told you जहां पर rapid increase होगा, there would be a factor of multiplication is involved. Right. Now 2 से 9 जाना है. And 9 से again 37. तो multiply कैसे हो रहा है? So if you'll see, actually 2 4 times 8 होता है. But this is not 8. यहाँ पे +1. Again, you have to apply the same operation. 9 times 4. कितना? 36 plus 1. 37 times 4 plus 1. Then applying the same pattern, same operation, sorry, multiply 4. आप इसको multiply करो 4 से, कितना आ रहा है?
So
5996
plus 1, 597.
कितना आया है? So she is right. 596. कोई any confusion so far?
No, sir.
Okay. So try this. डन हो गया? डन? सो यहाँ पर रैपिड इंक्रीज हो रहा है या स्लो इंक्रीज हो रहा है? ओके, एक चीज मैं आपको आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन, आपको स्क्वायर और आपको क्यूब एटलीस्ट 1 to 10 आपको जस्ट मार्क इट अप, आपको होना चाहिए याद। अगर उसका फायदा ये होगा कि यू कैन जस्ट क्विकली हैव अ लुक एट द सीरीज एंड यू कैन डिसाइफर इफ देयर इज एनी स्क्वायर एलिमेंट और क्यूब एलिमेंट इज इन्वॉल्व्ड, राइट? अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे, इफ यू लुक एट दिस, सो बेसिकली व्हाट आई एम सीइंग, ये 9 + 1 है, 1 है, this is 81 + 1 है, and this is 243 + 1 है. So what the mathematical operation is working on this, और ये 3 + 1 है. So basically this is 3 power 1 + 1. Okay, for 10 this is 3 raised to power 2 + 1, 3 raised to power 3 + 1. For it, this is 3 raised to power 4 + 1. This is 3 raised to power 5 + 1. And the next would be 3 raised to power 6 + 1. Okay. Now, if you will multiply this, 244 multiply 3. So you'll get and 3. This is what is 3 raised to power 6? 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. What is this? 9. This is 9. This is 9. Again 81 multiply 9. This is 729. ठीक है, तो 729 plus 1 would be the answer, which is 730. Clear है? Quickly we need to move to the another topic today. Is it clear?
यस सर।
ठीक है, सबको क्लियर है? कोई कंफ्यूजन है? So okay, so for that you need to remember the square and cube at least up to 10. Okay, would you like to try this one, or should I move to the next topic? Hello.
Sir, we can try.
Okay, quickly. this is a rapid increase. A factor of multipliers is involved, and if you look at this, you will find यहाँ पर क्या है? This is -1, 0, 7, 26, 63, 124. So by just looking at it, जो what I feel is that ये 64 है, which is a square of 8, again -1. This is again this could have 125, which is again a multiple, and this is 25. This is, so I'm just trying to infer the mathematical operation. This could be 8. Okay. Okay. So have you done this? किसी को आंसर मिला? Hello. Okay. So we'll explain it. यहाँ पर क्या है? If you will look at this, actually this is okay. So this is a bit confusing, -1 or 0. But what pattern I can get from here is that this is nothing but 2 raised to power 3, which is 8 minus 1. Okay. और ये again this is 25 plus 1. So 25 is 5 raised to power. This is or we can say this 26. This is sorry, this is 3 raised to power 3 cube minus 1. Again, this is 4 cube minus 1. This is 5 cube minus 1. In the similar way, we can find the next letter, next digit, which is 6 cube minus 1. Okay, अगर यही पैटर्न हम फॉलो करेंगे तो this 0 is nothing but the 1 cube minus 1, और जो -1 है ये 0 cube minus 1. Okay, so 0 cube minus 1 is nothing but -1. Minus 1 cube is 1, and then minus, this is 0. 2 cube minus 1 is 7. 3, 3, 9. 9 and then 3, 27. Minus 1 is 26. 4 cube, 4 multiply 4, 16, multiply 4, 64, minus 1. 5 times 5, 25, multiply 5 is 125 minus 1. 6 raised to power 6, multiply 6, 36, multiply 6 is 216, and उसमें से हम minus करेंगे, so 215 would be the correct answer. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, इसलिए I'm again emphasizing you need to at least just mug them up to 10 तक. आपको स्क्वायर भी और क्यूब भी आपके टिप्स पे होने चाहिए, and once it happens, so you just look at this and you can decipher the pattern. That's it. Okay, so I'm just moving from this and I'm looking for कुछ good question. Okay, would you like to solve this? AP का question है, just quickly take 30 seconds. हुआ क्या? Have you done this? Okay. Can you tell me what is okay? What is the formula for this? AP का formula?
A plus bracket में n minus 1 bracket close D.
Correct. What is A here?
A will be 9,
What is N?
N will be 98,
Correct.
and D will be 3.
Correct. So अभी क्या
Yes.
solve करेंगे? 98 minus 1 is 97. Correct.
Yeah. So
उसको
into
multiply करेंगे 3 से.
3. Yes.
97 times 3, which is
91,
291 plus 9. Correct.
300.
So 300 would be the answer. अभी सबको ये मिला 300.
Yes, sir.
ओके गुड, वेरी गुड. ये क्या है? ये जीपी है. जस्ट डू इट. ओके, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन दिस. नो, we have done for 90th term. This is 15th term. Okay, so we're just moving ahead. Okay, now अभी letter series में आपको क्या करना है? There would be given, you have given पेयर दिया जा सकता है. there would be maybe 3-5 letters at once, so you need to, they are arranged using a particular rule. अगर ये arrange हैं तो there must be some rule behind this, so we have to find the rule, and that's how this letter series would work. Okay, can you find the rule here? जैसे यहाँ पर है A से लेके D है, फिर G है, फिर J है, फिर M है, फिर P है. Okay, now if I go from A to D, what is the difference? What is the letter difference? What is the difference? +3.
Yes, sir.
D से लेके अगर G आपको जाना हो, E F G again +3. So have you got this rule? क्या पैटर्न मिला आपको? +3 का पैटर्न है फर्स्ट में, और दूसरे वाले में यहाँ पे +5. Is it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have this +5 rule. So we can say and we can apply the same rule. P के लिए there would be +3 and T के लिए there would be +5. Correct me if I'm wrong. P क्या आ जाएगा? P
S.
Q R S, और T के लिए +5 करेंगे U V W X Y.
Y.
So S Y would be the next letter. करेक्ट है यहाँ तक? कोई कंफ्यूजन?
No, sir.
ओके, आप ये सॉल्व करेंगे. जस्ट टेक 30 सेकेंड, नॉट मोर देन दैट. वी नीड टू कवर दिस डायरेक्शन वाला अगेन. अभी have anyone got the answer?
Sir, A is repeated twice.
यस,
Is there any?
नहीं नहीं, नो टाइपो, कोई टाइपो नहीं है यहाँ
Okay.
पर। सो अभी मैं आपको इसमें बता दूं कि
सर
एक्चुअली
इसमें 2 सीरीज बन रही हैं।
एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पर 2 सीरीज बन रही हैं। पहली सीरीज तो है ए और सी विद द डिफरेंस ऑफ 2, और दूसरी सीरीज है ए बी सी डी ई एफ प्लस 5 वाला। लेकिन हमको अभी क्या चाहिए, हमको पहले वाले से ही मतलब है। सो जी प्लस 2, व्हाट इज दैट, आई। ठीक है, अगर नेक्स्ट बताना होता तो आपको क्या करना है, इसमें पी के बाद +5, क्यू आर एस टी यू, अगला आता यू। ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर?
मीन सर लेटर पोजीशन के हिसाब से हमको अगर 2 सीरीज आती है बनती है तो लेटर पोजीशन के हिसाब से हमको सिलेक्ट करना है कि कौन सी सीरीज को
एग्जैक्टली
यूज।
एग्जैक्टली। यहाँ
ओके
पर
गॉट।
वो एक्चुअली कंफ्यूजन के लिए दिया हुआ है डेलिबरेटली। एक्चुअली यहाँ पर 2 सीरीज साइमल्टेनियसली चल रही हैं, और अपेरेंटली हमको लग रहा है कि देयर वुड बी डिफरेंस हो सकता है, तो हम वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कैलकुलेट द डिफरेंस। बट इफ यू विल सी, यहाँ पर 2 सीरीज चल रही हैं, ए और सी और ई और जी और देन नेक्स्ट आई, एंड देन ए के बाद एफ के बाद के के बाद पी, एंड देन अगेन +5 का डिफरेंस। ठीक है, ओके। Now, I guess this is last question of this series, continuous series. यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि you have given this question, this kind of question. So the trick is that, again, not a thumb rule. The trick is that you need to count the total number of places. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So there are total number of places is are 12. Is it? है कि नहीं? And visibly how many letter can you see? कितने लेटर आप दिख रहे हैं इसमें? 2 लेटर दिख रहे हैं। हाउ मेनी?
सर एक माइक अनम्यूट है सर, स्वास्ति का।
Now it's fine, sir.
Hello, is it good now?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Okay, so यहाँ पर क्या है, आपको there are 12 places. Okay, so you need to make group as per the number of alphabets. So how many kind of types of alphabet you seeing? कितने? 2 टाइप के हैं।
यस सर, ए एंड बी।
हाँ, तो आप क्या करेंगे, टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्लेसेस डिवाइडेड बाय द टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स। देयर आर 2 टाइप्स, सो वील मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you need to compare, you need to by using by the comparison method, you need to fill the respective gaps. For example, here BAB is given, so you just write BA, and here it is not given, so this is A is given here, it is not given here, just put A here. Okay, now there are 2 gaps are there, so we can just infer these 2 letters from this group. So we got this answer, B A A B A would be the answer. Clear? Is it clear? अभी कोई confusion है?
Sir, I have a doubt actually.
सर वन मोर टाइम प्लीज।
Okay, so again, this is a kind of trick work most of the time. So for these kind of questions, you need to count the number of places. So basically there are 12 number of places, including the gaps and the letters. Okay, Okay, now we need to make a group as per the number of alphabets. So how many alphabets are there? Two, A and B,
Right, sir.
right? So we'll just divide the number of letters or the type of letter. Okay, um, we need to divide this count of number of places, that is 12 divided by 2. So we get the 6. Okay, so 6 is what? 6 is nothing but 6 of 6 letter will make one group. 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now these groups would be identical. Okay, now you can infer likewise. Here A is given, but it is not given here, so you'll just, because these are identical, we'll just put A here. Okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
so this
Mirror
is B.
image kind of.
Mirror, no, not
Right.
mirror, but they are identical. Mirror would
Okay,
be ना,
fine.
अगर यहाँ A होता यहाँ A होता, that would be mirror.
Right. Hmm.
Okay,
Identical.
यहाँ BA लिखेंगे and then you'll put BA, this BA you'll put BA here. Okay, so you'll just
Mhm.
combine them. BA would be the answer.
Fine, sir. So one more question.
Correct.
If yes, sir. Sir, if 13 is there, 13 letters places are there,
Mm-hmm.
then divided by the kind of numbers means
यूजुअली नहीं नहीं नहीं, यूजुअली ऐसा नहीं दिया जाता.
okay,
ओके,
fine.
यूजुअली ऐसा नहीं दिया जाता. अगर दिया जा, आई मीन अगर ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन आता है तो देयर वुड बी सम अपेरेंट सिमिलैरिटी आफ्टर इन द पैटर्न रिपीटेशन. अगर ऐसा होता
Okay,
है तो you just see it and you'll find some kind of pattern repetition in the pattern,
okay, okay.
right?
Sir, yes, sir. अभी सर वहां पे दो लेटर्स थे A एंड B. पॉसिबिलिटी
Okay,
है क्या कि वहां पे
yeah, बिल्कुल
दूसरे
बिल्कुल
भी लेटर्स?
पॉसिबिलिटी है. How many places are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, right?
राइट सर.
So how many letters are apparent? A, F, D and S, is it?
3. हाँ
4 हुआ ना? A, F,
हाँ
D, F. So 4.
हाँ.
So we'll make a group of 4. A, this one, A, this one, this one, and this one. So you'll see a kind of repetition, isn't it? So यहाँ
यस
भी
सर.
S है, यहाँ भी S है, यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ S है, यहाँ
हम्म
S है. Again यहाँ पर
हम्म.
F है, F है, F, and then okay. So
राइट
here
सर.
is D is given. We'll put D here. We'll put D here. Okay, यहाँ A है, there would be A and there would be A. So answer would be S D S A D F.
सर कैसे पता चलता है कि कौन सा लेटर पहले लगाना है?
नहीं नहीं, आप देखो ना, आप ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कौन सा लेटर पहले लगाना है, बिकॉज दे आर आइडेंटिकल. तो आपको कहीं से भी इन्फरेंस मिल सकता है. यू जस्ट पुट दैट, है ना? जैसे क्योंकि रिपीटेशन है, हमें पता है ए पहले है, ए पहले. अगर यहाँ पर नहीं है, खाली है, तो जस्ट पुट ए हियर. ये ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि कहाँ पे लगाना है. दे आर सिमिलर, आइडेंटिकल है चारों ग्रुप. तो आप कहीं पे भी जो आपको मिल रहा है कि थर्ड प्लेस पे ये है, तो आप कहीं पे भी खाली हो तो वो लगा सकते हैं.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. Okay, now we are moving to our last topic, that is direction sense. So first we need to understand the concept, what are the direction senses. First of all, agar kabhi bhi, if ever, if at all such questions comes of direction senses, you just will try to, कहीं पे भी जब rough space होगा, we'll just put east, west, north and south, ऐसा आप put कर लेंगे. Okay, और पूरा जो भी whatever is given into the question, you will frame the questions within this. Okay, so I'm just for imagination, I'm putting this. This is eastern part of India, western, this is northern part, and this is southern part. Okay, और इसके बीच में क्या होगा? Northeast. इसके बीच में क्या होगा? We have this southern east. इसके बीच में क्या होगा? This is southern west. इसके बीच में होगा northern west. Okay, so if you go from northeast, there would be a 90-degree angle shift. Okay, north to east, 90-degree, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, if it is indicating to northeast, it means 45 degree. यहाँ पर 45 degree है. this would be 45 degree, 45 degree. So in as a whole, it would be a 360 degree, right? Pura circle 360 degree.
Hmm.
Okay. And from north to east, again 90 degree, east to south 90 degree, and north to south 180 degree. Is it clear to everyone?
Right, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'll use this. Okay. Now again, this direction sense, there have been certain questions have been asked on this concept. In the morning, okay, in the morning, what happens? The sun rises from east.
Hmm.
Okay. Now your shadow will fall on the opposite direction,
Hmm.
on the west. Is it?
Hmm. Hmm.
Now you are facing. Now, in the evening, what will happen if you are facing to the sun? Your shadow will fall on the east. Is it clear?
Right.
Any doubt to anyone? Okay, like I'm facing in the morning. I'm facing sun in towards east. So जो मेरा shadow होगा, it will fall on the opposite direction, on the west. Okay, if I'm facing the sun. Okay, now if I'm facing the western, in the evening western part, so my shadow will fall on the east. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
this is the concept. Okay. Now, a chota sa, there is one small concept of Pythagoras theorem. Everyone aware of this Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
What it says? It is only valid for the right angle triangle. ठीक है, ये right angle triangle के लिए valid है. Now it says in a right angle triangle, the largest size, which is called the hypotenuse, the largest size of the triangle. Right angle triangle are those triangle which has 190-degree angle, and Pythagoras theorem is only valid for such triangles, right angle triangle. Okay. Now Pythagoras theorem says the largest arm of this triangle, which is h, which is called hypotenuse, is equal to the square sum of the square of side, this side and other two side. We can simply say कि अगर ये, if this side, the largest arm is called c, तो जो इसका स्क्वायर होगा, that would equal to the uh, sum of square of a and b, other two side. Is it clear? Pythagoras theorem clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now इसके बेसिस पे हम एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे. ये कहता है, it says a man goes 3 kilometer east, and I'm telling you, आप जब ऐसा क्वेश्चन बनाओगे, east west north south, आप ऐसा बना लो. A man goes 3 kilometer east from a point A. Okay, now this is a point A. अब इससे हम 3 किलोमीटर जा रहे हैं, 3 किलोमीटर from point A, and then takes a right turn. So right turn कहाँ होगा? Where would be the right? Would it be of northern side or southern side?
Southern side, sir.
Pakka? Confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I'm facing east. Because I'm facing eastern wards, so my right would be southern side. So it takes a right turn from point B to move 4 kilometers. So I move 4 kilometers. Any confusion?
No, sir.
So this is point A. Okay, I'm already mentioned. This is already mentioned, point A, and then I move to point B. Point B to move. Okay, so this is point B, and I move 4 kilometers towards right. Now it says to point C. This is a point C. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now it says what is the minimum distance between point A and point C? How would you solve this? A और C के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है? मिनिमम डिस्टेंस कितना होगा?
सर वो जो फॉर्मूला दिया है उसी से कैलकुलेट करना है ना?
कैसे करेंगे? हाउ वुड यू डू इट? पहले ये आप बताओ मिनिमम डिस्टेंस कितना होगा, हाउ वुड वी फाइंड इट?
सर ए और सी को ज्वाइन करेंगे ना?
एग्जैक्टली, हम मिनिमम डिस्टेंस ये तो नहीं होगा ना, सी टू बी जाएंगे और देन दिस।
नो सर, ए एंड सी को ज्वाइन करना होगा।
सो हम ए और सी को ज्वाइन करेंगे। सो कैन यू टेल मी, इज इट अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल और नॉट?
यस सर, इट इज राइट एंगल
क्योंकि
ट्रायंगल
यहाँ
90
पर
डिग्रीज।
वो 90 डिग्री का, सो फॉर दिस वी यूज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम।
पाइथागोरस
ठीक
थ्योरम।
है,
यस
तो
सर।
पाइथागोरस थ्योरम कहता है विच इज द लार्जेस्ट साइड, AC.
यस सर,
So it
ए
says
सी इज द
AC का square is equal to the the sum of the square of other two sides. So AB
यस सर,
square plus BC
बी
square.
सी स्क्वायर।
So we don't know AC square.
यस सर,
What is AB?
ए बी इज 3 किलोमीटर्स, 3 स्क्वायर एंड 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर।
ठीक है. What is this?
9 प्लस 16।
16. What is it? 16 plus 9. 25.
25.
हाँ।
And actually 25 is the AC square, right?
यस सर।
So to remove square, we'll just put this under root AC.
सो आंसर इज 5
So under 25 किसका
किलोमीटर।
रूट है? 5 का रूट है. So AC would
हम्म,
be 5
5
kilometer.
किलोमीटर्स। ओके सर।
Is it clear to everyone?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
सर द फॉर्मूला विल बी गिवन और वी हैव टू रेटोफाई इट?
नहीं नहीं, फॉर्मूला तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट यू नीड टू श्योर दैट कि जो लार्जेस्ट साइड होगा उसका जो स्क्वायर होगा दैट वुड बी द इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ अदर टू साइड.
राइट सर। एग्जाम में नहीं होता है ना सर फॉर्मूला
नहीं नहीं
दिया
नहीं
हुआ है?
नहीं,
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
इट इज नॉट लाइक अ
ओके
थंब
सर।
रूल. फॉर्मूला कुछ नहीं है, बट यू हैव
हम्म,
टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उसका जो
हम्म,
स्क्वायर हो रहा है, लार्जेस्ट साइड का जो स्क्वायर हो रहा है
हाँ
वो अदर
हाँ,
टू साइड के स्क्वायर का
सम
सम.
ऑफ स्क्वायर्स। ओके
ठीक
सर।
है.
सही सर।
ओके. Just take a minute and ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कीजिए. ये कह रहा है वन मॉर्निंग साहिल वाज स्टैंडिंग facing a tree in the park. Okay, the shadow of the tree fell to his left. In which direction was he facing?
सर ही वाज स्टैंडिंग इन द वेस्ट साइड।
West. Anyone?
ही वाज फेसिंग वेस्ट साइड सर। वेस्ट साइड में ट्री था जिसको वो फेस करके खड़ा हुआ था मॉर्निंग के टाइम पे, जिसके वजह से ईस्ट से लाइट आ रहा था तो वो शैडो ट्री पे फॉल हो रहा था।
आपका भी आंसर आया वेस्ट. Everyone? Oh, I should explain it.
सर प्लीज सर, प्लीज
Okay.
Sir, please
एक्सप्लेन सर।
explain.
Okay, so ये कह रहा है one morning Sahil was standing facing a tree in a park. Okay,
हम्म,
and वन मॉर्निंग, अभी आप ये देखो कि ये ईस्ट है, ये वेस्ट है, ये नॉर्थ है, ये साउथ है. ठीक है. अभी मॉर्निंग में सन कहाँ पर है?
ईस्ट।
ठीक है, यहाँ पर है. ओके. एंड साहिल वॉज स्टैंडिंग फेसिंग अ ट्री इन अ पार्क. अभी शेडो कहाँ पड़ेगा वैसे? इधर पड़ेगा ना, इस साइड पड़ेगा, जो भी होगा इधर पड़ेगा.
सेलोन इज लेफ्ट। ओके ओके।
ठीक है ना. अभी क्या कह रहा है, द शेडो ऑफ द ट्री फेल टू हिज लेफ्ट. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली स्टैंडिंग फेसिंग अ ट्री. आप ये देखो, ये एक ट्री है, इसका शेडो इधर पड़ेगा, है कि नहीं? अभी ये अगर उसकी पोजीशन देखेंगे with the respect of this tree, you will see the shadow of the tree fell to his left. Okay.
Means
Now
north is the answer. Okay.
कैसे?
सर वो ट्री को फेस करके खड़ा है, ठीक है,
Facing a tree in a park.
इन अ पार्क, राइट,
हाँ
और उसके लेफ्ट साइड मींस वेस्ट साइड में ट्री
हाँ,
का
तो
शैडो
आप ये देखिए,
आ
आप
रहा
ये
है.
देखिए, वो अब there are two possibilities. He's facing, okay, actually there are four possibilities. तो हमको एक देखेंगे, what अगर वो, let's say he is facing this, okay, he is facing this, okay, but यहाँ पे ये इसका राइट है, तो ही शेडो कहाँ हो रहा है? शेडो इस साइड हो रहा है, is it? तो which is of his right side? तो this could not be the possibilities. Now what if he is facing the northern one? This is his backward side. Okay, now he's left and he's right. Shadow का side इधर है. He's
Yes, sir.
facing the tree. He's facing the tree.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so he's facing actually the north side.
हाँ,
So he's facing north side would be the
नॉर्थ
answer.
साइड, नॉर्थ.
And it is the only possibility when if he'll face the north side, the shadow of the tree will fall on his left. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to anyone? Okay. Last question. Done? अभी करें इसको? Should we explain it?
Yes, sir.
अभी आपके end से हुआ क्या? Have you comprehend this question? Attempted?
Yes, sir. Again, Pythagoras लगेगा सर इसमें.
Okay. So a child is looking for his father. He went 90. Okay, for these questions, we need to put east, west,
North,
north,
south.
and south. So it's saying he went 90-meter east, 90 meters in the east before turning to his right. So okay, now this is a children. This is a child. He's who's looking for his father. He went 90-meter in the east. Okay, he's 90-meter. Okay, in the east before turning to his right. Now he has turned to his right. Okay, his right बोले तो southern word or northern word? His right बोले तो
southern, sir.
southernward. Okay, now this is 90 meter. Now he moved 20 meter before turning to his right again to look for his father at his uncle place 30 meter from this point. और इसका right again कहाँ होगा? इसका right कहाँ होगा? Westward और eastward?
Sir, west.
Westward. कितना? How much? 30. ठीक है, 30 meter. This is 90 meter. And to his uncle place 30 meter from this point. Okay, now his father was not there. From here he went 100 meter in the north. Now 100 meter kahan hua? I'm just changing the color. Now from this point he went 100 meter to the north. So this is 20 and this is 80. Okay, so this is 100 meter north, right? Is it clear? Before meeting his father in a street. Now, what is the smallest distance between the starting point and his father's position? So this is his starting position, no? Is it? Please answer. Is it यहाँ पर है ना initial position?
Yes, sir.
So the minimum distance between these point is this. Again, ये right angle triangle बना.
Yes, sir.
So we'll just solve through the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now I'm just we'll just solve it. Abhi we will just put okay. Tell me okay, this is the right angle triangle. Okay, so how much is this distance? ये total 100 है यहाँ तक. Okay, this is entire, this arm is of 100, but we just need to find this much. This much. How much this would be? कितना होगा ये?
80.
Exactly. How? We'll just subtract 20. This much distance. ये 20 होगा. We'll just subtract this much distance from 100. So this arm would be of 80. Okay. And how much is would this be? ये total कितना है? 90?
90 है सर, उसमें 20 गया.
30 लेस करेंगे.
सर 30 कैसे लेस करेंगे सर?
This ये distance लेस करना है ना, so that we get this much distance.
Right. So
So
total 90 है ना सर?
total this much 90. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक this much is 90.
हाँ 30
So
लेस
we'll
करेंगे,
subtract
right?
30 to get ये कितना होगा?
60.
60. Okay, this much would be 60. Now can you find this distance through Pythagoras?
Yes sir.
So it says, I'm just putting A, this is B, and this is C. So to find AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
BC square.
So we need to find AC square. AB square is much. How much? 80. 6400. Isn't it? Plus
Yes, sir.
BC. 36.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
AC is equal to 6436. 10,000. 100. This much. This much. Okay. Now this one and this one. AC is equal to 10,000 be under root. So AC is equal to ये 100 हो गया, ये 100 हो गया. So this is nothing but 10. 100.
100.
So 100 would be the answer. Is it
सर
clear?
मुझे ना, yes sir, sir, but मुझे still confusion है, वो जो diagram बनाए उसमें I was making a different diagram. It was also coming 90 degrees, but वो diagram मेरा अलग बन रहा था.
कैसे बन रहा है?
Like a child is looking for his father. He went 90 meters in the east. East के तरफ गया 90 meters.
Okay, this is east. Okay.
हाँ 90 meters गया वो बिफोर टर्निंग टू हिज लेफ्ट, मतलब वो टर्न
बिफोर
हुआ ही
टर्निंग
नहीं
टू
लेफ्ट।
हिज राइट?
हाँ बिफोर टर्निंग टू हिज राइट, वो राइट में टर्न हुआ ही नहीं, उससे पहले ही वो 90 meters गया। फिर उसके बाद मतलब मैंने उसको टर्न ही नहीं किया, टर्न
सी
होने से
सी
पहले
सी
ही वो, हाँ हाँ।
90 मीटर वो ईस्ट की तरफ गया बिफोर टर्निंग राइट। ओके, नाउ जैसे
हम्म
as he covered 90 meter, he turned to right. This is what it's saying.
then just a second sir, he went 20 meters before turning to his right.
Okay, now before
हम्म
turning to right, ये 20 meter चला और now he would turn to right. Again he would turn to right.
हम्म
This
हम्म
and again he turned to right before turning to right for again to look for his father at his uncle's place 30 meter from this point. Before turning to right, यहाँ पे पहली hint दे दिया है कि वो right मुड़ेगा कितना 30 meter.
हम्म
And from after walking 30 meter, he walks 90 meter 100 meter straight northernwards. So this is
okay.
the exact figure, and we just need to
हम्म
find this much and this much to find this much.
fine sir, okay.
Okay, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to end our class here because I thought to practice more questions from previous years. Okay, so I guess it would take much time. So what you can do, I'll share these questions with you, or we can practice these on the fourth day mock test. The day will practice mock questions. Would that be fine? Should I share this with you, or we'll together do these questions on the fourth day?
Sir, I think on fourth day we can do it.
Okay,
So we
so
can do together.
okay,
Yeah,
we'll do it together. But
yes.
we have a lot of questions for the practice. So I'll send as soon as uh, I'll just quickly there are some touching is left. So as soon as I'm done with that, I'll send these questions to you. Okay, so you have to practice these questions because it is we have to proactively engage. No, you have to also do such question. और उसके बाद कुछ doubt होता है, we'll together solve it.
Sir, will
Okay.
you continue with the direction wala questions because they are pretty complex? So I need more practice and more understanding.
Okay, yeah, sure. We'll do more such questions. There are a lot of questions.
Okay.
Okay, but अगर यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी if any doubt arises, just let me know. Okay, so what we can do one more questions here. Okay, we can just this last question. Would that be fine? Can we solve this?
Yes, sir.
If you make the diagram correct, half of the question is done. Done. Time over. Okay, so we'll together do it. One day, Prakash. Okay, for the convention, east, west, north, south. It says one day Prakash left home and walked 10 kilometer towards south. Okay, he walked 10 kilometer towards south. Turned right and walked. अभी इसका south, इसका right कहाँ होगा? If he is facing south, his right would be on the western side. And walked 5 kilometer. Okay, he walked 5 kilometer. And turned right and walked 10 kilometer. And walked right. यहाँ से again his right would be on the northern side. Again he walked 10 kilometer and turn left. Turn left means westernwards and walk 10 kilometer. So this is a 10 kilometer. How many kilometer will he have to walk to reach his home street? कितना होगा? This question does not involve this Pythagoras. This is a straight question.
5 kilometers, sir.
कितना?
5 kilometers.
कैसे?
Sorry, 15 kilometers.
Exactly. 10 तो वो चला गया ना इधर.
Yeah.
और
He's
5
going to return again.
5
Plus
हाँ, तो
5.
10 plus
15
5
kilometers.
15 kilometer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
कोई confusion इसमें?
No,
Means
sir.
without Pythagoras भी आते हैं, sir.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली बिना पाइथागोरस भी आप सोच रहे हो कहीं पाइथागोरस हम लगाएंगे डायग्राम बना के है ना
Yes, sir.
तो जस्ट बी माइंडफुल और क्वेश्चन का डिमांड क्या है जस्ट एंड दैट इज ओनली पॉसिबल आफ्टर डूइंग सच मोर क्वेश्चंस ठीक
Yes,
है
sir. Okay, sir.
so with that we end our class here and one more thing I would like to mention कि those who want to continue with this course have to register today or tomorrow itself because this is a continuation of this class is an continuous process okay क्योंकि ये पहला class था तो we made this demo come the first class and those who have already registered they'll continue with the process so I will be sharing more questions with you but those who want to continue with this course and we have designed this course in such a way जहां पर it is a two-way process है ना आप साथ साथ में काम करेंगे and there are a lot of things more question oriented syllabus oriented and we have tried to make mock test on the basis of the previous pattern recent pattern थोड़ा difficulty level बढ़ गया है so with that considering in mind we have designed mock test ठीक है अगर आपको ये पसंद आया है तो आप रजिस्टर करके इसको कल द सेकंड पार्ट विल मूविंग तो आप उसको कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं ठीक है सो थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग पेशेंट सो विल कंटिन्यू दिस ठीक है सी यू टुमारो थैंक यू
Sir, we will be continuing the same unit or another unit?
ये एक्चुअली ये यूनिट अभी दिस यूनिट विल टेक 3 days okay
Oh, okay,
so
sir.
the entire course is we have designed to cover it within the March itself
Okay, sir.
okay we have this designed for it 20 days okay
Okay, sir.
like according to the difficulty we have assigned more days to the difficult part difficult unit and there are other theoretical units which we have assigned the one class itself
Okay, sir.
okay so we
Yes.
by the March will अच्छे से इसको
Cover it.
will cover this
Yes, sir.
okay so
Yes, sir. Sir, बहुत अच्छी क्लास
see
थी,
you
बहुत
tomorrow
मजा आया.
thank you so much
sir. Thank you so much,
thank you
sir.
so much bye bye